Hello, people. Hello, hello. So, what do we have here? A little garden. How does your garden grow? Yeah, nice on the beans too. Yellow flowers growing on these beans that I think is very pretty. And they're inside the beans. There you go. And you got petunias and marigolds and daffodils and pretty flowers all around. Roses and blossoms, whatever you call those ones again. Capunias, that's what you call them, eh? The carnival capunias. And over here we've got these ones. Let's just call them the orange marigolds. And these are nice purple daffodils. I like the daffodils, they're pretty. And these are red columpias, I think that's what they call them. Crunchy columpias. I wonder if the people eat flowers. That should be interesting if they do. Can you eat flowers? Or do you just plant them? Yeah. And we got some tomato plants here. Yeah, that's what they call them, tomato plants. As you can see, one of them is actually finally starting to blossom. These been growing for a long time. I mean a long time. And finally, there's a little flower there that's blossoming. That took a long time. That's the only one so far, but these other ones are getting to be fair sizes. And these are the beans that are blossoming over on this side, Gavin's beans. And these are another tomato plant that's growing outside the garden. Some corn in this corner that's growing. Yeah, goose or a pink flamingo. Alrighty. We got some beans and some cucumbers. And I think this is a red pepper, if I'm recalling correctly. A red pepper of some kind. Touchdown ball pepper? Yeah. And a cauliflower plant. And another tomato plant. And a red bear. That's what the seeds look like on the red bear. Okay. Some roses. Oh, lots of pretty red flowers, eh? Right. There's a yellow one. There's another yellow one and an orange one. Yep, and those are the rose bushes. Daffodils. Oh my goodness, yes. Well, some hostas are starting to blossom too. There you go. Mint. Look at the strange way the mints blossom. Isn't that weird? With their flowers. I think that's weird. Yeah. And then, as you can see, got a squirrel swinging. The squirrel likes to swing on the swing with some sort of dragon monitoring the squirrel, making sure the squirrel doesn't go crazy. And these are some more flowers over here with the red flamingo. Squirrel's still checking things out. Yeah, don't go crazy, squirrel, Yeah, oh, look, the dragon is commanding him not to go crazy. And that's a pear tree with a rabbit here. And a frog hanging out, just checking things out. The frog's pretty relaxed at the moment. He was freaking out a little while. But it's okay now. And that's a lupe. Yeah. Alright. This is a nice flower in the corner here. I think that's what you call those ones. Lupes. And these are the hostas with the white roses. I think those white roses on the hostas are nice looking, don't you? they were all over the place about a week ago. And there's a pink flower in the corner with some more lupes. That's what you want to call them. And these hostas are a different color and a different brand, a name, but they're starting to blossom too. Well, a couple of yellow roses down here, but you know, it's almost like a friendly giant. Yep. Look at that, eh? Those are the white flowers on the hostas. There's a bush here. Some sort of strange little plant growing there. There's a, looks like that was a piece of corn growing there. Okay. It might still be growing. Maybe it's just faded a little bit. But sometimes they come back. So, oh look, another light white hosta. Yeah. Isn't that a pretty flower too, eh? Yeah, that's a pretty flower. That's a pretty flower. Yeah. All sorts of pretty flowers around here. Yeah. A gigantico is what they call it. Isn't that nice? They call them giganticos. Yep. And this one was blossoming. It's going to blossom again, obviously. That's a nice color. I think it is anyways. Red flowers, purple flowers, green flowers, blue flowers. Only ones I haven't been able to find are those black daffodils. A little disappointed, even a sunflower seed with a little garden there. And a little scarecrow in the corner here. There you go. Oh, wait. Let's not be too silly about this. Can't forget that there's a bird up here. There you go. And there's a bird right there too. Don't go crazy. Some sort of pink flamingo or something. You know, but those are the types of flowers that you find in a garden. Yeah. And what is this? I don't know. It has Canadian leaves on it, but what flower is that? It's been growing for 5 months, I think, and it still isn't telling me what flower it is. How can something like that grow for 5 months and then not tell me a doggone thing? You know? Anyways, but those are nice things too. Look at that thing. Got prickly bushes on it, but so that's the garden. I hope you people like the garden. Yeah. Very pretty garden. Flowers everywhere. So that's one more gander. I like that one. And let's not forget this little guy right here. Isn't that nice? So, what's this? Brother there. And a rose bush there. This flower just popped up right there. Right? That's kind of nice. I think that's nice the way it popped up. So that one popped up there at the same time that popped up there. 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 And that popped up there. With the squirrel flipping out. So there you go. Yeah.